I like photography, art, like editing, and some part of animation. Before I joined Next, I used to draw on my like book or textbook in school. But now when I joined here, like I saw my father discovered this app called Adobe Sketch, and then he got me an Apple Pencil to draw. Like first we started animals. So the first one was a zebra. So first like I used to trace. So we started with the outline, and we went on to the nose and everything. I have done about 20 of them at the start, and then I moved on to footballers, like portrait art. I used to like see different cartoon eyes mostly, like how it's shaped, like if it's just a dot or like a white circle with a dot, and then different noses, how it's shaped, like a big part of the nose and then two small like nostrils like that, and then the different emotions and like mouth and faces like that. I used a different brush this time, which like is the reason probably it was better. I started on that, and then in the end I drew some 12 characters. Then I went on to like t-shirt design. This was for the school. So what I did was I made different like variants of NEXT. I did an internship at Often. Often is like a co-working space. They wanted like different logos for their website. They already gave me the logo, but I had to like add elements to it. The experience at Often was really like fun. Some of my interests are editing. I have a friend in grade 4. His name is Ridhan. He wanted to do a maths video. He needed help for a videographer and an editor, and then I shot it, and then in the end I edited the whole video and then I sent it to him. The process of the whole thing was very like fun. So my father is a professional photographer. He is also like my mentor. So then I started another passion with photography. I shot a stray dog who was like sleeping, but then like a woman's foot came in the middle. My father told me about Photoshop, in which like we had to mask the foot out to make it look like cleaner like that. And then we also used Lightroom to add more like effects and make it look better. I got a job for shooting jewelry, like product photography. Radhika ma'am, which is the principal of the school, her brother was starting a jewelry business, and he needed like pictures of the jewelry products. When we finished like the first part of the shoot, the client liked it a lot. Then he gave us more jewelry to work with. The work is published on soulstone.com. I upload my work on Behance. Behance is like a really big platform where people can upload their artwork or like any like work they have done. You can get like internships, like jobs. I've got a few. In one of them, a guy was asking for a full-time job, and I can't do that because I'm in school. And one guy was asking for a logo for his website. Like my most favorite passion is editing. It's really fun, but like the worst part of the like passion project is that I have to go like outside to take pictures, but I'm more of like an inside person. It is important to explore your passions and interests, because in the future it will take you time to do good at that passion. But if we already start now, then we can already do better in the future.